Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. One of the really negative things that go on today in the culture of the Muslims in Islam is that many of us weaponize the religion. We turn the religion into a weapon, and it has many shapes, forms, and fashions. An example of that is the mother and the father. They know the position that Allah has given to the parents. And as a result of what Allah has established, they use their position to blackmail their children. They use their positions to force their children to do things that they know their children are not down with and they're not happy with. That's weaponizing the religion. Another example of it is the husband. Alhamdulillah, Al-Islam has given the husband tremendous rights. The Prophet says, sallallahu alaihi wasallam, it is not permissible for anyone to mourn the death of another person for more than 3 days. But it is permissible for the wife to mourn the death of her husband for 4 months and 10 days. The Prophet told Mu'adh ibn Jabal, sallallahu alaihi wasallam, and may Allah be pleased with Mu'adh, when Mu'adh made sajda out of respect to the Prophet, sallallahu alaihi wasallam, the Prophet said, Ya Mu'adh, what are you doing? Mu'adh said, Ya Rasulullah, when I was in Yemen, I saw the community of Jews and Christians making sajda, prostration to their leaders. You're better than all of them. So I felt I should make prostration to you to respect you. He said, Ya Mu'adh, if there were anyone that I would have ordered to make sajda to someone else, it would have been the woman. I would have told the wife to make sajda to her husband. But sajda is only for Allah. We don't make it to anyone or for anyone. So these hadith and others, ayat and others, they show the tremendous position of the husband over the wife. So the husband takes these ayat and he uses them as a weapon against his wife. He takes advantage of her. He orders her to do things that he knows are difficult for her, things that he expects from her that are beyond her ability and beyond her scope. And then he'll turn around and say, but the religion said, Allah said, and his messenger said. And I've seen with my own eyes, even with one of my own wives, revert to the religion, wasn't born, wasn't raised in Islam, embraced the religion. But when she came to the Deen, she wants to be a true Muslim. Ya ayyuhalladhina amanu udkhulu fi silmi kaffatan wa la tattabi'u khutuwat ash-shaytan. That's what she wants to be on. My wife, Allah reward her and bless her. Oh, you believe, enter into Islam wholeheartedly and don't follow the footsteps of Shaitan. Verily, Shaitan is an open, avowed enemy of all of you. So my wife, she's going to listen to what I say. And she listens because that's her nature. That's how she was raised. But more than anything, that's what Allah told her. That's what the messenger told her. So Abu Usamah, I could take advantage of her by weaponizing the religion. Jama'at, groups, weaponize the religion. Many people who are responsible for messages and groups, they weaponize the religion. People who claim that they're calling to a Salafi and the Sunnah weaponize the religion. Let's not weaponize the deen of Allah Azza wa Jal, but let's practice the religion with ikhlas and the way that Allah Ta'ala meant it and wanted it to be practiced. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.